Hey there guys, welcome back to Cambridge Biology Question of the Week. This is an A-level question this week, specific to the DNA topic and the structure of nucleotides. So we're going to start looking at some picture-based or diagram-based questions over the next few weeks and move away from the word-based questions. And for this week, we're going to look at process of elimination as a tip. So let's get started with our question. Our question stem is a very simple one. Which diagram correctly shows the structure of DNA? And then we have A, B, C, and D. And initially our four diagrams look very, very similar. And so we're going to have to use our recall of structural or biochemical facts related to nucleotides to be able to pull these apart. One of the first things that you can look for is inconsistencies in 1 out of 4 of the 4 diagrams that you're given. And this is quite common across many questions. A shows the nucleotides A, U, C, G, whilst the other 3, B, C, and D, all show A, T, C, G. That's our first big clue that A is wrong. U is not present in DNA, it's present in RNA. Next, if we take a look at B closely, we can see that the backbone shows the phosphates running in parallel. When I say parallel, it means they're the right way up on both sides. But all 3 of the others have anti-parallel, where one side runs in one direction and the other in the other direction. That means B is wrong, and we also know that because DNA runs in anti-parallel. If we move on to C, we can see there's an inconsistency in the base pairing. A is bonded to C and T is bonded to G, whereas in B and D, C correctly bonds to G and A correctly bonds to T. That's the correct base pairing for DNA. A is a little bit off because it bonds A with U, however this is technically the correct bond pairing. That means we're only left with D as the correct answer. It shows correct base pairing, it has anti-parallel strands, and it doesn't contain any U, which wouldn't be found in DNA. D is the correct answer. Hopefully this helps you with your process of elimination during diagram questions. Stick around, there'll be a 1-minute biology coming out later in the week, which will help you with your nucleotide and DNA structure should you need to revise it. Good luck for your exams.